Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So let's continue with the question practice. So question number 23 is still waters run deep. So ये एक कहावत की तरह है जिसका मीनिंग होता है a person who seems to be quiet or shy may surprise you by knowing lot of things or have a deep feeling. So it is correct, no error in this sentence. So option D. Question number 24. The job is under the direct of Mrs. Jones. So यहाँ पे direct की जगह हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? Under the direction of Mrs. Jones, या हम कह सकते हैं under the supervision. तो supervision should be used or direction should be used. So error is in B part. Question number 25. Why you copying your homework from someone else? So why you की जगह हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? The correct sentence should be why are you copying? Because अगर मैं structure formation की बात करूँ कि हम sentence का कोई भी structure formation करें interrogative present continuous का, तो उसमें हम क्या बोलेंगे? Why plus am is are प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब विद ing. तो ये स्ट्रक्चर किसका है? ये स्ट्रक्चर है हमारा प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस का. ओके, एंड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में भी कौन सा? इंटेरोगेटिव वाला. सो ए में एरर है. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. There is few time for preparation. So in question number 26, there is little time for preparation because few is used with, few को हम use करते हैं plural noun या verb, and little is used with uncountable. Plural noun और verb, एंड लिटिल को हम यूज़ करते हैं विद अनकाउंटेबल. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. सो एरर इज इन बी पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. ऑल माई होप वर ड्यूप्ड एंड आई वॉज प्लंज्ड इन डीप सॉरो. सो ऑल माई होप्स आर were duped. So question number 27 में plural form is the right usage. Question number 28. When the stranger saw me, he seemed to recognize me and asked me what was my name. So error is in this part. The indirect speech interrogative sentence is changed into assertive sentence. Okay, so hence ask me what my name was should be used here. So ask me what my name was, this is the right usage. So error is in C part. When the stranger saw me, he seemed to recognize and asked what my name was. Question number 29. My lawn, which is overgrown, needs weeding. So this sentence is correct, no error in this. Question number 30. Every man in this world wishes to live long but nobody wanted to grow old. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Nobody wants to grow old. As generally हम सेंटेंस में प्रेजेंट सिंपल का यूसेज करते हैं. So this sentence is generality, so we'll use simple present. So error is in C part. So next exercise, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. He told his friend that he could not do that work because it is not to his taste. So because it is not to his taste, here reporting verb is in past tense. Okay, this is reporting verb in past tense. Hence, because it was not to his taste is right usage. Okay, because it was not to his taste. So error is in third part. Question number 2. The tragedy of Julius Caesar was written by William Shakespeare about 1599. So यहाँ पे preposition का error है in 1599, या इनकी जगह पर हम around भी बोल सकते हैं, but about तो wrong usage है. Okay, so error is in C part. Question number 3. The writer is evidently enamored at the subject. Enamored का मतलब होता है कि liking something a lot. Enamored means liking something a lot. So enamored is an adjective and enamored of is the right usage. So error is in B part. Question number 4. I always enjoy to read books. Okay, so यहाँ पे I always enjoy reading is the right usage. So error is in B part. Question number 5. Variety is spice of life. Okay, variety is spice of life. It is absolutely correct. No error in this sentence. Question number 6. Neither of the scout leaders know how to trap wild animals or how to prepare them for mounting. ओके, सो नीदर हम सिंगुलर फॉर्म में यूज़ करते हैं. सो यहाँ पे सिंगुलर नोज यूज़ होगा. नीदर ऑफ द स्काउट लीडर्स knows how to trap wild animal. So stay tuned for more videos.